Right, I was in Staples today, and I'm walking around. I was in the back where they're clearancing. What? 19.99. Stop. With tax, $20.79. How could I go wrong, right? Somebody asked me the other day why I didn't have a gaming system. I was like, never wanted one. So this is a big move for me. Figure out how to open it. Should we rip the box? It says it's got 81 games in it. Alright. Ooh, Mortal Kombat. I remember people that had these. I've played them. You got a lot of light glare. But those are all the games. Hold on. Let's get rid of that reflection. Just in case you want to zoom in and see what these have. These have been on sale for a long time, but where did you ever get one for on clearance for $19.99? Never happened. Well, all the games are programmed into here. Two remotes. Hook up and power. Sega Genesis. Give me something to do on a rainy day, right? When I have nothing better to do. Obviously, we got to make a video of every single game. And then hold on to them until they're all done so I can stick them all in a folder. No HDMI connection needed. And these things, let's see how long they are. Not all that in a bag of chips. Got to stay pretty close. So I think we'll do this on the smaller screen. I guess that's the expansion. We're all hooked up, ready to go. Hey, a little less connection. We're ready to rock and roll now. Do you think I'm going to play it tonight? Google bought me a drone last year. I still haven't used it. Went to test them the other day, actually yesterday. And the camera was dead. I had to recharge that. So hopefully this weekend we'll do a little drone action. Damn shame. We really wanted to do some drone action. But it is what it is. There we go. We are ready to start playing games. Hopefully, like most things, we don't wait for months and years to get things done. We get this up and rolling real fast. Love it.